welcome back. We are now going to be talking about how to find the area of a parallelogram. Okay, a parallelogram is defined as a closed figure with two sets of parallel sides, but with 90-degree angles. Okay, so as you can see right here, no 90-degree angles in the corners. The only 90-degree angle is right here, and that's just because I made that there to help us later in the lesson. Okay? So, first step, it's very simple. It's just like the rectangle one. Base times height is what you use to find the area of a parallelogram. Okay? And the base is right here, 7 centimeters. And the height, the only difference with this one from a rectangle is that you have to draw this little line right here. This line I drew right here. You have to draw that to show a 90-degree angle to show the true height. Okay, so the true height of this one happens to be 3 centimeters. Alright, so first step, what we're going to do, plug it in. So the base, 7 centimeters. Okay, we're just going to plug that in. 7 centimeters. Okay, and then we're going to plug in the height, 3 centimeters. Okay, and do you know what 3 times 7 is? I do. Here's a hint. It's 21. Okay, so the answer for this is going to be 21. And remember what we do with the units, right? Because there's 2 centimeters. We go centimeters squared, because there's 2, right? Alright, thank you for watching.